All right, we are at Race Rite today at Harris Hill Raceway, and we're going to pull the head off of the Miata so that we can figure out what's wrong with it and then replace it with one that we have from another engine. So we're pushing the car in and we're hoping to drive it out.
Yes. That's exactly what's going to happen.
All right, let's do it.
Oh yeah, it's gonna go. No problem. No problem. I forget the header.
We just got the Miata rolled into the shop, and we're gonna, I don't actually know what we're gonna do. I'm just taking videos here. Dad, what are we gonna do now that the Miata is in the shop? Tell the camera.
We're going to put that on it. And then we're going to rebuild this. And then we're going to rebuild that. And then we might have enough engines to finish a race.
But doesn't that feel better now?
Look at that.
That was pretty quick, man.
That's some engineering.
I turned my back and then all of a sudden, blink, on the ground. Situation, it's not going to fall.
I got my bolts out. Oh, the bar's not going anywhere. Yes. Oh, shit. Gently used tools.
So what happens? This head always did have a little to it somewhere. So I don't know. But I don't see anything obvious.
Oh, wait.
We just got the valve cover off of the Miata, and now we're looking through the top of the engine to see what's up. But next we're going to pull the whole head and do a little deeper digging.
Start putting these. Oh, there's so many rocks in here.
You should see the floor with the silver.
This is a diesel, right?
Yeah.
1 million foot.
In that way, to get off the header. Gorilla-ing now, if you want. We got it. Table.
I'm not
holding it. On the table.
You got it?
Yep.
This one's slightly heavier.
Piston? There's no hole in the piston, and there's definitely spots in the carbon where shit could have hit, but
There's definitely some sand in here.
Probably just fell off from the head.
the cylinder walls look okay. I mean, this bottom end's okay. It's not
less
new, but it's okay.
shitty than the other one. It's not new.
Is that coolant?
Well, we took the head.
Oh,
so
yeah.
It could, yeah.
On
Right underneath your hand. Right on the tender team.
There we go.
Yeah. That's
Is
easy
number
enough.
one closed? I think it is, because maybe this one doesn't leak, and we can show you what it looks like when it doesn't leak.
Yeah, it's close.
Explain that.
What we're doing here? So we put water in the combustion chambers, and if the valves are sealing, the water should stay there. If the valves aren't sealing, it's going to come out the ports. In this case, it's coming out on the intake port side, therefore the intake valves are leaking. It's not coming out on the exhaust side, so they were still okay. But we have bad intake valves on these two cylinders.
And that means no compression.
Well, it means that the air can go where the water can go. And if that happens, then
You have a pressure
you
leak. Yep.
Now, whether you have no compression, less compression,
Yeah.
whatever, in this case, it's quite a lot of water, so it's pretty much zero compression. I mean, it's not a big deal. Valves are easy enough to replace.
This is repairable, but this won't run.
This won't turn on. But, I mean, yeah, just get 8 more valves.
So are we going to replace the valves, or are we going to...
No, we're still going to... So that means that putting that head...
That will fix that.
Will fix it.
So we're still going to put that head on that block,
and then we've got to run it.
and then we're going to...
This can be whatever.
Yeah.
got brake clean.
That only goes one way because of the shape of that. All right. Uh-oh, and you have to reach the furthest too. Are you doing okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, I can't see the bolt holes.
Okay, you need to go towards the back by like 2 inches.
Wait a minute. Time out. Go out. Or sit down somewhere or something.
Steven, can you get us a cardboard?
This is conflicting with the that.
If I can not lose this.
Okay. Can you go again?
Yeah.
So somehow when we get over there,
Let me
This-
higher above the block.
just to get around that. Hang on.
We're close.
Hang on.
Yep.
Okay, I'm around it.
I'm at the bolt holes.
Okay.
There it goes.
Okay, now what about our clunk? Looks like right about.
Towards. We're
Huh?
kind of close.
On the head?
Yeah. Oh.
Right there? I can't see. Wait, right? About there.
It's on.
That was it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like,
Yeah,
like
no.
we're avoiding that.
And make sure you have a washer.
Yeah.
And then we can take the little 3/8 ratchet and just go till they touch,
Yeah.
and then start doing the torque sequence.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of thread here to engage. So look, looks pretty good, nothing nasty. Go ahead and drop it.
You're not technically supposed to drop them in there, are you?
Oh, it won't. It's not gonna hurt anything.
It's gonna blow my warranty with ARP. Did you drop your head studs in there? That's definitely why your engine's fucked. We had nothing to do with it.
We're dealing with a cast iron block here and good head bolts, so I think we're gonna be all right.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's middle, left, right.
No, I'm going. Yeah, it's not gonna be.
So the reason why I want to run the carbon fiber washers is because I want to screw with brake crank.
And now fuel.
Hey, it sounds like a 4-cylinder again.
Yeah, it started like.
The pistons work.
There's not
even- That's good.
It's not even smooth. I'm not ready. I didn't know you guys had a distilled water dispenser here.
Yeah, it's the best. We only use the best.
It's the best distilled water
Yeah,
in all of Texas.
that's right.
Fresh pond juice.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's clear.
It's clear.
It's not brown pond
Yeah,
water.
yeah.
It's clear pond water.
It's 100% rust inhibiting.
Rust inducing.
Yeah, rust. No, inhibiting.
Okay, my bad.
Not full of limestone or calcium or any of those
Yeah.
things.
You just pour a little bottle of water wetter in there, and it gives it all the right vitamins and minerals.
Vitamins and minerals.
Yeah. I mean, I guess all ponds in Texas are distilled water. You know, it gets so fucking hot here.
Right.
All the bad stuff just boils away.
We have the car running. We have the new heads on, and
I mean, it's
it's
much
running.
better than this
It's
one.
idling smooth, and we're gonna go take it for a couple laps just to make sure that it drives. Track closes in 30 minutes and it's wet out, so it's not going to be anything crazy. We're not going for lap times or whatever, but we just want to make sure that the car drives. But yeah, pretty good day so far.
Yeah.
Oh, my turning radius is very bad.
Yeah. Well, somebody put a big fucking Miata would come out of there, but that's it. Just one more time. What? A little bit. I think you got it. Yeah, you got it. The alternator's charging. See 14.4 volts. That's good. We like that. All right. It's alive.
It's cold out there. All right, we're done.
Yeah.
Dan, what did we do today?
We took the heads off and found out they were broken, so we replaced them.
And now the car runs.
Yeah. We literally replaced them. We had a separate engine that also went kablamo, and so it went kablamo in a different part, so we're good now.
Yeah. So now we have one working engine and one engine that's broken on the top end and bottom end.
Yeah.
So
perfect.
maybe we'll make another video fixing that one at some point. I mean,
Yeah.
we ordered a bunch of new parts for it.
Yes,
Right.
we have new valves coming, and then so we'll rebuild the head. The head that's broken, we can just rebuild. That's not that hard. The problem is the bottom end that's broken is not easy to fix. So
Yeah.
we'll have to figure out a way to fix the bottom end. And then if we do that, we'll technically have a more powerful engine. But right now we have a working car with a shitty water pump. So there will be a video where this engine goes unworking again because we have to replace the water pump.
But in the meantime, it's driving.
Yes.
We pushed it into the shop and we drove it out, and that's always a good day.
Yes.
So,
With
yeah.
maybe a slight asterisk. Maybe the battery's bad.
But big shout out to the Race Rite guys for helping us out today on a Saturday.
Yes.
They're having a good time. And now we have a driving car. We didn't get to drive it on track because it's too late for that.
And it's also motorcycle day.
And it's motorcycle day. So,
And it's raining.
yeah. And all the track employees left.
So because it's motorcycle day, it's raining. And motorcycle people don't go out in the rain.
But maybe later this week we'll do a shakedown day.
Yeah, Wednesday.
Yeah.
I don't remember what I'm doing Wednesday. Maybe Wednesday we'll drive this car and make sure that it sets a reasonable lap time.
There you go. But yeah, car is driving. We're done. So
Yeah, and we only broke a hub. We will have to replace the
Yeah.
hub. I think the one that you're sitting at.
we'll still have to do a whole damage tour of.
There's
G2.
no other damage. What do you mean? This thing is beautiful.
Yeah.
There's no damage. It's not hurt at all. Fully functional.
Perfect car.
Perfect car. Race winning. P1 car. I mean, hell, we're
For the
doing
first
better than
hour.
Aston. You know what? You know what? We're doing better than Aston Martin because we can run more than 25 laps without the car dying or the drivers losing their hands.
This is true.
We're gonna outpace a Formula One team. I mean, if Aston Martin came to our track on Wednesday, we would beat them in a race of at least 50 laps. I'd say we need some time.
Yeah, this is true. All right, well, we are 86 Pieces Racing. We are faster and better than Aston Martin F1.
Yes.
And thanks for watching.